Hi everyone, today we are making sparkling cherry lemonade. These are the flavors of summer, are they not? So today we're gonna go ahead and make this super simple. It's from Natasha's Kitchen. I'm gonna go ahead and slice my lemon in half. If you're new to cooking, when you wanna slice your citrus, you wanna slice between the stem and the end. That way you're gonna be able to get to all of that yummy juice that's inside. If you slice in the other direction, you're gonna be working against the membrane. So that's why you wanna do that. I've got my juicer here. I've already juiced 5 lemons. We'll do 2 more. Our juicer holds back the seeds, so it makes it really, really easy. And this smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. It's so nice. The most cost-effective way to buy your lemons is to get them in a bag. So when you're at the grocery store, just a little tip, especially if you're newer to cooking, look through the bag and make sure your lemons look good. You don't want to have any that have mold on them, and that would be super disappointing, right? So that's something you want to definitely check. Once your lemon juice is, your lemons are all juiced, there's a little strainer in the top here. I've got 1 cup of lemon juice, and I'm gonna pour the whole thing right into the blender. And if you have extra lemons, you can freeze that juice for quick recipes, so you don't have to start over every single time. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. And then we have some cherries to prep. I've already taken the pits out of most of them. You need 3 cups of cherries. This is our cherry and olive pitter. I've got 4 cherries in here. All you do is just press straight down, and all of your pits go to the bottom. So I see only 1 is in there. That means the others are kind of dangling here. So you can just check them, pull them out. And I like to sort of count my pits to make sure they all did come out. It does a good job, but once in a while you miss one. So you want to make sure you got them all. So 4 pits, or 4 cherries, pits are not included. Take all of them, put those into your blender. And then we're going to add, I'm doing 3/4 cup of sugar. The recipe calls for 1 cup. Go a little bit less if you want. If you need to do a sugar substitute, absolutely do that if you need to. So we need to get this all blended. This is our cherry lemon, cherry lemon, kind of a simple syrup, but it's not gonna cook. I'm gonna press, it lights up for custom blend. I'm not using a preset today. So push the button in. I'm gonna set it to the 6 speed. We just wanna blend this so that there are no chunks of cherries at all. So it's gonna get loud for a little bit, but it won't take very long. Here we go. It's a gorgeous color. We'll let it go for about 30 seconds. It's almost done. There you go. I did 22 seconds. That was long enough. Okay, so you've got this beautiful base here, and this is going to be what you're going to use for your cherry lemonade. You only need, it looks very smooth, this will be fine. You need 1/4 cup of this per serving. So I'm going to pour it right into my measuring cup. The color is stunning. It's so pretty. And then we're going to take some club soda. If you want to, you can just do water. You don't have to use sparkling if you don't want to. If you ever struggle with opening these, check out the jar opener. I'm gonna give you a tip. Hopefully you can see this. You wanna make sure that it's not angled. It needs to be flat, and then it just grabs right on. It's great, especially if you struggle with hand strength. We need 3/4 cup of this. So I'm just gonna pour up to that 1 cup line. There we go. We've got some fizzy. Take your glass, fill it with ice. And here we go. Cherry lemonade. This is a delicious treat for summer. I love this. Super delicious. Now, if you want to make a grown-up drink, you could add a splash of vodka to it. But I like it just like this. Will you give it a try? I'll post the recipe in the comments. This is going to be a hit for your family. You're only gonna mix it right before you drink it if you're using sparkling water or club soda, because those bubbles are gonna go away. If you're using water with no bubbles, you can mix up a pitcher at a time. I hope you'll enjoy it.